Welcome to Law Made Simple, where we break down complex legal topics into easy-to-understand guides. Today we're talking about the Right to Information Act, or RTI, and how you can use it to get information from the government. We'll go step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to file an RTI application in India. Whether it's about government spending, project delays, or local issues, RTI is your key to getting answers. It's a right every Indian citizen has, and using it is much simpler than you think. So grab a notebook and let's start. We'll cover everything from identifying the right department to submitting your application. By the end, you'll be ready to file your own RTI confidently. Introduction to RTI. The Right to Information Act, 2005, is a powerful law that gives every Indian citizen the right to request information from public authorities. It was created to make our government more transparent and accountable. In simple terms, it's like asking the government a direct question, and they are legally bound to answer. It applies to central, state, and local government bodies. You can ask for records, data, reports, and more. The goal is to fight corruption and keep citizens informed. Think of RTI as a flashlight that lets you see what's happening inside government offices. And the best part? It's a right, not a favor. Who can file an RTI? The best thing about RTI is that it's open to everyone. Any citizen of India can file it. There's no age limit, so even students can use it with help from a guardian if needed. You don't need to be a lawyer or have special connections. It's for ordinary citizens who want honest answers. Whether you live in a big city or a remote village, this law works for you. It applies across all states and union territories. The only condition is, you must be an Indian citizen. That's it. You're ready to use your right to information. Step 1. Identify the public authority. The first step is knowing exactly which department has the information you need. If it's about railways, you contact the Railway Ministry. If it's about local roads, you reach out to your municipal corporation. Every government department has a Public Information Officer, or PIO. You can find their contact details on official websites or by calling the department. Be sure to choose the right authority. Sending it to the wrong one can delay your reply. If you're not sure, start with the main office and they can forward it internally. Getting this step right saves time and speeds up your response. Step 2. Draft your application. Now that you know where to send it, it's time to write your RTI application. Use clear, simple language, English, Hindi, or your state's official language. Start with your name and full address. Then describe exactly what information you want. Mention dates or specific periods if possible. You don't need to explain why you're asking. The law says your reason doesn't matter. Keep it polite, short, and to the point. A well-written application makes it easier for the PIO to respond quickly and accurately. Step 3. Pay the application fee. Next comes the fee. In most cases, it's just 10 rupees. The amount may be different in some states, but 10 Indian rupees is standard for central government departments. You can pay through a court fee stamp, a postal order, or a bank draft. If you're filing online, you can pay digitally. And here's good news. If you're below the poverty line, there's no fee at all. Just attach proof of your BPL status with the application. Always keep a copy of your payment receipt. Without the fee, your RTI won't be processed, so don't skip this step. Step 4. Submit the application. Once your application and payment are ready, it's time to submit. You can hand it over in person at the PIO's office. Or send it by post. Registered post is best for proof. Many departments also accept applications online. For central government, you can use the official RTI portal at rtonline.gov.in. If submitting in person, get an acknowledgement receipt. If sending by post, keep the postal tracking number. This step officially starts the clock for your 30-day reply window. Step 5. Wait for a response. After you've submitted your RTI, the PIO must reply within 30 days. If it's a matter of life or liberty, they have just 48 hours. The reply can be in writing, or they may invite you to inspect records. If they don't reply, or if the reply is unsatisfactory, you can file a first appeal. This must be done within 30 days of the original deadline. If still unhappy, you can go to the Information Commission for a second appeal. Most cases are resolved at the first stage itself. Patience is key. The process is designed to be citizen-friendly. Important tips. Here are a few tips to make your RTI more effective. Be as specific as possible in your questions. Vague queries get vague answers. Always mention the period or date range you're asking about. Avoid emotional or argumentative language. Keep it factual. Don't ask multiple unrelated questions in one application. Make sure your contact details are correct and clear. Always keep copies of your application, payment, and proof of submission. If you don't get a reply, use the appeal process without hesitation. Remember, RTI is your right, so use it wisely. Conclusion and call to action. And that's it. You now know how to file an RTI application in India step by step. It's simple, affordable, and extremely powerful. With RTI, you can hold government bodies accountable and demand transparency. It's a tool every citizen should know how to use. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with friends so more people can learn about their rights. And don't forget to subscribe to Law Made Simple for more easy legal guides. Your right to information is your power. Use it well.